Hello everyone, and today I printed a model of a Dogecoin which, thanks to Elon Musk, is flying to the moon. Hit that like button if you're a fan of a Dogecoin. Dogecoin was invented by two software engineers, Billy Markus and Jackson Palmer, who decided to create a payment system that is free from traditional banking fees. As of April 16, 2021, the market capitalization of Dogecoin is more than $70 billion. Also, to emphasize the rise of the Dogecoin, I printed a rocket model which is going to the moon. All models that were presented in this video are free to download from Thingiverse. Link will be in the description box. Thank you very much for watching. Please consider subscribing, and leaving a like is always appreciated.